This is a single piece of wet wipes packing machine, which is used to pack single-piece wipe containing air freshener for export to Mumbai. The manufacturer is Hunan Grand Packing Machinery. This video shows the last operation inspection for the machine before shipment. Machine circuit is normal. All parameters are set correctly. Sachet is shaped. Wet wipes are folded horizontally or vertically. Side bag, liquid filling, sealing, blanking, discharging, and other station modules are running normally, and the machine runs stably. The machine is customized for packaging cursor positioning, longitudinal folding, triple or quadruple folding. Its production speed is 100 pcs/hour, using 4-side seal. Liquid filling volume is 10 milliliters. Our company provides step-by-step operation teaching video, 7/24 online technical support, overseas local engineers door-to-door service for your appointment. More detail, please contact us.